My name is Ronnie Lundberg and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have the most awesome piece you can buy for a motorcycle. Oh yeah, this is the winglet on the BMW M 1000R. Have you ever seen something cool like this? It's carbon and they are from Ilberger Carbon. And this is, wow, I can tell you, this is pure awesome. They are so cool. And we are going to mount this on the M1000R. So you can see, this is the dot over the I, you know, if you say so. All right, I have here, they cost 580 euro. Yes, one. So here we have a lot of money, but wow, this is the coolest part. So the M1000R is going to look so great with this on. And I'm going to show how to mount them. It's only 3 screws, so I think it will go pretty easy. All right, check out when I mount them. Here we have the original, and here we have the more fun part, the carbon. So let's change this. It's a Torx T25, 3 screw. And as you can see, pretty long screw, and you have this stop, so you won't break the carbon fiber. And here we have them, the original one and this one. I can feel this one is much lighter. So this bike is going to be pretty fast now. Yes. And a fun fact, now I have rebuilt an M1000R to an S1000R. Other side, the left side. All right, that was the left side. Check this out. This M1000R competition is even lighter and faster now. You can see the downforce here. This is a really cool bike. So yeah, thanks for watching. That's how you mount the winglet on the M1000R. Have a great day.